Friends, at first you have to verify your vaccination card. They will record your some information from this. Inshallah, today I will take COVID-19 vaccine of second dose. Last month I took first dose of COVID-19 vaccine of Sinopharm. So I am going to Palash Upazila Sodor for taking second dose vaccine. So friends, stay with me and keep watching this video for develop your mindset of Alhamdulillah, I am fit of taking first dose of COVID-19. So friends, you can take vaccine. Inshallah, you will be able to save from COVID-19. So we should take vaccine of everyone. Friends, today I will show how to take vaccine and how many process to take COVID-19 vaccine. Okay, that's why viewers, stay with me. Alhamdulillah, you will get a lot of knowledge from this video and you will be able to get some information of taking COVID-19 vaccine. At first, taking decision, you have to apply for taking COVID-19 vaccine through Surakha application. Okay, then you will get a message. Then you have to download the vaccination card. Taking vaccination card, you have to go to the vaccination center. Okay, dear friends, let's go with me for understanding the process of taking COVID-19 vaccine. Okay, so keep watching the video. Viewers, I am going to Palash Upazila Sodor by cycling. Look at my cycle. It's my cycle. Okay, I have been using this cycle since my childhood. Dear friends, I love to drive my cycle. Okay, and where I go, I take my cycle. Okay, dear viewers, if you drive your cycle, you will save your money, and also main important reason is you will increasing your immunity. Okay, friends, Alhamdulillah, already I have come to Palash Beer. Please look at. Okay, from here I have to go to Palash Upazila Hospital. Then I will take second dose vaccine. Now I am at Palash Upazila Health Center. Friends, at first you have to verify your vaccination card. They will record your some information from this vaccination card. So let's go to volunteer. Now I am going to submit my vaccination card. Okay. Yes, sir. Now my card has been verified. Okay. Now I am ready to take vaccine of second dose. Okay. Let's go. Friends, for taking second dose vaccine, now I have to submit my verification card. Okay, now I am going to submit. Please. Alhamdulillah, my second dose vaccine has been completed today. So friends and my viewers, don't be afraid of taking vaccine. Okay, already I have taken. So I am telling you that you can take vaccine of COVID-19. Then you will protect yourself by the grace of Almighty Allah. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.